So these are my dirty little secrets.
The way you've been acting and treating your mom and dad is
Grounds
for being put on the naughty list. I don't want to be on the...
That's not good, guys.
Be good, Peter. Well, I was being good all day.
Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday. We hope you have an amazing day. I'm just making leftover bagels from yesterday for the kids because Daddy got a whole box yesterday when he was at Einstein, and it makes 2 days worth of breakfasts, which is a win in my book. I like easy breakfast because my kids wake up super hungry and the first thing they say is, "We want breakfast! We want breakfast!"
You always say good morning, guys.
I always say good morning, guys. You know why?
Why?
Don't I always say good morning to you? Yeah, so I want to say good morning to them. Do you want to say good morning to them?
Good morning, guys. Can I say it?
Uh-huh.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah, they're eating their bagels. Sissy has the apple one. Which kind do you have?
Apple.
Apple. Which kind are you going to have?
Cinnamon.
Synonym?
No,
And
not cinnamon.
Synonym? Synonym.
And
Synonym.
Lincoln
Synonym. Cinnamon. On the third day of Louis, my true love gave to me.
Third present. Thank you.
What is it?
No, you're supposed to read the card first.
Let me just not look.
Because you have to sing the song.
What song?
Okay, can you read the card?
Here, I can hold that for you.
Oh, thank you. She's gonna open it. On the third day of Louis, my true love gave to me. I started crying again. Why do I do this to you?
It's on the third day of Louis.
Okay, can you sing it?
Unique New York. Unique New York.
On the second little Christmas, I hear the song with Bill wanna sing it.
All right, let's go.
3 pairs of socks. 2 tubes of toothpaste. 1 90-minute body massage. And I started to. Let me see this. 3 pairs of socks.
How can it fit?
Oh, I needed socks, guys.
Guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, you were impressed by that.
His sock problem is,
Real.
I told everybody, even if you wear slippers, you still wear socks.
What? Why does that not make sense?
Because that doesn't make sense. When your slippers are so soft, why do you need socks? But you still manage to wear them.
Let me see.
Where are the blue ones, Daddy?
Let me see. Let me see.
Where are the blue ones?
Let me see.
Where are the blue ones?
Oh, I was gonna make it right now.
Every morning, for some reason, you cannot find socks to wear.
I don't know how I feel about this. It's kind of clammy. Kind of like, it's too loose. It's like, wow, did I lose my shoe just now? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I can't just, oh, am I walking barefoot? See?
What did you think about your socks? Are they soft? Not the ones you have now. Those are no padding included.
Oh, where are the blue ones?
The blue ones?
Yeah, I like them.
I don't know. Which ones are going to be faster?
Blue ones.
Look, Link likes it without socks.
But he knows what I mean, though. He knows what I mean, though. I truly love you now. Give me some more gifts. Every single day I expect it. Now you gotta do it every single year now from now on.
Do you like this? A gift every day?
Yeah, you know what? Who doesn't like a gift every day?
Even if they're small, like a pair of socks. It's
Seriously
still warm.
though, you don't know how much this feels to my feet. Right.
His feet thank me.
Daddy, blue.
I can't even. Oh,
You like the feel of the sock?
oh,
Oh. Whoa!
1 hour later.
I just got the vlog up. I got Lincoln to nap, and now I need to pick up some things around the house because there's stuff all over. Daddy's working today. He's a working man.
Yep.
He's working
like a worker.
I almost said working 9 to 5, but he works 5 to 9. Couldn't get much better.
5 to 9.
He's got the mochi balls.
5 to 9.
He's got a little sugar on that lip of his. It's a dead giveaway that he's been eating. Oh,
That's gross.
you spit in there?
Yeah.
That's disgusting. Why would you spit?
Why would you throw my spit at me? That's
Why would you spit in a box?
Why
There's
would
a
you do
toilet
that?
for that. Why would you do
Where's
that?
the toilet? Case in point.
5 to choose
Case in
from.
point.
5 to choose from. Look at this. I want to tell you guys something. I love to clean, and I love a clean and tidy house. And this is one area I don't clean because if you know one thing about me, and it's when I spend time cleaning, if it gets messy really fast, Mama get mad.
That's why the kids all come here and
Because they know that this is the one area Daddy has to clean. Mama, no touchy in Dad's office.
2 hours later.
All right, y'all, I got dressed for the day. This dress is from TJ Maxx. I just kind of pulled it up right here on the side. The leggings are from Kohl's, and then my boots are from TJ Maxx. All right, y'all, we got a blue apron this week. That means that Mama's gonna cook. I let Louis look at all 3 of the options. If you follow me on Instagram, you know which one he picked. So I'm gonna get the ingredients out and put the other 2 away. This is what I'm gonna make for lunch, the spicy tomato gnocchi. You need the tomato paste, cauliflower, capers. This is the peppers, butter. This is like a cream. I have no idea what it is. And then the gnocchi, parsley, garlic, and golden raisins. The sauce, the cauliflower, and the gnocchi is boiling. Look at it, just rises to the top when it's ready. Louis!
Daddy, that's it ready. He said he's gonna be like Kale.
All right, thank you.
Bunny's the best. Team about.
Babe,
Oh my.
it has cauliflower in it. Y'all, it looks so yummy and it's ready to eat. Y'all, look at this goodness.
Y'all, look at this.
From Mommy and Daddy.
From
To Cassidy. Amazon a couple years ago used to deliver and not put it in their own box, and so the toy or whatever it is would appear on the door showing what it was. I had so many friends that would say that their kids would actually see on the doorstep what it was, so Amazon got smart and decided to package up and use one of their boxes, which is smart because it's free advertising for them, right? So we had lunch and it was delicious, but now it is time to clean out my fridge. My in-laws are getting ready to come and we're gonna have leftovers galore, I'm sure. And I like to every month take everything out, wipe it down, do all of that, and then get rid of all the stuff that's expired. Like this is probably expired because we haven't had this in a long time. Actually not, that's surprising. But I like to wipe it down, so these are my dirty little secrets. This never stays organized. right, so we got the side. We got the middle. We do a lot of Blue Apron and Home Chef, so these are all stocked with them. And then I just do cheese and tortillas down here. And then obviously butter, that, and then condiments. So yeah, looks much better. I don't really like how this looks, but I like to keep everything in the baggie so nothing gets lost.
Mom, is it my turn? Mommy, my turn. Big bag. Ooh, I know it is. Oh man.
Can you fix this?
No.
One eternity later.
I have not napped in so long during the day, and we were sitting on the couch all hanging out and I passed out. It felt amazing. I don't think I've napped in like months. So I took full advantage, and now I hear everyone upstairs. They must have snuck off to the media room to be quiet for me. So I'm gonna see what they're up to.
Can I try?
Hey guys! Thanks for letting me sleep.
Daddy ordered Papa John's.
Oh, gross. Are you drumming? Good job.
Alright, you're skipping.
Good job. If you're gonna do Papa John's, I'm gonna run up to Chick-fil-A and get me a sandwich. Since you guys don't eat that. Are you busy?
Could you give me one of those lemon?
They don't have it. It's seasonal. Right now it's a peppermint. While I was sleeping, Louis started thinking about dinner, so he ordered Papa John's to make it easier on me so I could kind of have the night off. And I'm going to get myself a spicy chicken sandwich. Since all of the kids eat meat, we don't ever get to go to Chick-fil-A, and you guys know that I've been having cravings for Chick-fil-A lately, so I'm gonna get myself a sandwich and then Louis a shake, and then when we get home, the pizza should be there for the kids. And no one took an afternoon nap besides Sissy, so yeah, they're probably all ready for bed early tonight. Yeah. Say yeah. Tricked myself, even though guys, I was supposed to go to the gym this morning. I was like, you know what guys, I'm gonna be on it. I'm gonna go at 5:30 because that's the only class they have open on a Saturday morning, and guess what? I slept right through that dang thing.
That's about.
I know, I shouldn't say dang, I'm sorry babe. I slept right through it, so yeah. It wasn't smart. 5:30 on a Saturday when you edit the vlog the night before, yeah, probably shouldn't do that. You guys, I was just wiping Lincoln's face off, and I took his diaper off because it was full, and I put him down because I was trying to wipe the table off, and all of a sudden you hear Tatum go, Lincoln's peeing, and he peed on my rug. So now we gotta get some of the best stuff. It's called Tough It Out, and we're gonna tough it out. This won't be Lincoln's first accident. I shouldn't have taken his diaper off. I thought I could be 2 seconds without it.
20 minutes later.
Back in the days, our Saturday nights would consist of going out, and now they consist of movie night. So we are watching Matilda. The kids have never seen it. I saw a little clip of her moving the spoon up from the cereal and making it into her mouth, and I was like, oh my gosh, the kids have not seen that. They need to see it. So we're watching it. Daddy's been working all day. He's
working 9 to 5.
No, it's 5 to 9.
5 to 9.
He's been a working man. I guess it's a good thing you got LASIK. Or not, you would need like glasses from looking at a computer screen all day.
I don't know how to get LASIK in like a year.
I know, right? How's this movie?
Good.
You like it? Why did you just put your whole hand over his face? You like the movie?
Yeah.
Your hair's crazy today. You like the movie? Oh, you're getting tired. This is such a good part. Oh. You loving it, Tay? It's a good movie, huh? Sissy, what do you think of it? Is it a good movie? Oh, thumbs down? Sissy's giving Matilda thumbs down? Oh, there's a thumbs up.
No, I'm giving the principal.
The principal a thumbs down?
Yeah.
And then how about Matilda, the little girl? Thumbs up? Thumbs up, Daddy?
Thumbs up.
Have you ever watched this movie?
Yeah, of course.
I know. I never.
Never have I ever watched Matilda. All right, guys, we're gonna put the kids to bed. I'm in Cassidy's room, and she found my stainless steel pot cleaner, and she wants to sleep with it.
I'm tired.
How was your day?
Good.
They stayed in their PJs all day. They didn't want to get out of them.
In the morning, do I have school?
Nope, it's Sunday. And then Monday you have school. You have 2 days of school, and then you're off for like a month.
Do I have a principal?
You don't have a principal.
Daddy has
Babe,
one.
she's asking if she has a principal at school.
Mama's your principal.
No. Do you have a principal?
Do I need to turn into their principal at their school? The one on Matilda, that's what she's asking.
Daddy has a principal.
He does. Her name is Mommy.
No.
Yeah. I put him in the chokey.
What's a
Choking.
He thinks this little romper onesie is so soft. We hope you had a great day. We hope you have a great night. And remember, it's always today. Good night, guys.
Bye.
Good night, guys. Bye. See you when it's Wednesday.
No, see you when it's Sunday.